This is your Bunny ma'am. Today I'm going to give you, as you've seen, beautiful 15 tips to make your brain sharper, smarter. Let's start the video. Your day by wearing your sneakers and heading out for a 30 to 40 minute run or bike ride. It'll rejuvenate you like anything. Yes. So point number 1, wear your sneakers and get up. Point number 2, have hot shower. Yes. Compared to your cold ones, your hot shower will strengthen your nervous system and refresh your mind. Remember that. Engage in chess at least 2 matches you're going to play against a computer. So that makes your brain more sharper. So start playing chess little by little. Point number 4, emphasize reading over entertainment. Yes, reading, when you start reading one book per week. When you start reading book, it'll dwell you into new and education materials. I'm going to pick up education materials or anything new which you love to read. Compared to your mobile, try to start a new book. It'll enhance your brain skill. Yes, don't go with sensational news. Right? That is just temporary dopamine triggering. Point number 5, frequently interact with any people. Yes, when you interact with any people like college students or high school friends, because they are with full energy and a lot of information, right? So pick up, talk to them so that you get innovative ideas, and sit with senior people to share your opinions. That will sharpen your mind. Then comes point number 6. Challenge your mind or memory by learning and using the phone numbers. Whatever phone numbers, instead of using your phone, try to memorize or learn the phone numbers through your brain. Because of that, your contact list, whatever is there, your mind starts developing sharpness. Next comes point number 7. Yes, manage staying calm. Yeah, when you stay calm, what happens? It will enhance your decision making skills. Especially when you're in stress, when you stay calm, automatically your body will sustain that stress. Practice that. Next comes point number 8. Make a habit of conversing with new person daily. What will happen? Because when you converse with a new person, first thing which happens, sharing ideas. Second, you will remember their name and you'll remember what they do. Because of this, your mind starts taking in new inputs and it will get sharpened. Point number 9. Yes, Very important. Aim to learn a new language each year. Yes, though other than your mother tongue, keep learning a new language, because when you start learning new language, your mind starts grasping and it becomes sharp and smarter. So we have done with 9 points. Now let's go with point number 10. Take a new sport, yes, and work towards achieving the target. Yes, when you start learning new sport, anything, like skipping, running, jogging, anything, or swimming, anything, any new sport, start learning new sport. It will sharpen your mind. Point number 11, stay curious and proactive. When you stay curious and proactive, what happens, dopamine levels, they get triggered in your mind, and it will create interest in new things. And you will tend to find answers for new topics that even sharpens your mind. Point number 12, eat mindfully. Food, most important thing is food. You should maximum focus on foods that are beneficial for your body. Like those are rich in amino acids, these amino acids are mostly found in seafoods and nuts. Almost 8 varieties of nuts you need to consume every day soaked in water. It will sharpen your brain. Point number 13. Enjoy a peaceful walk in the evening. Yes. While walking, avoid your phone, keep the phone in your locker, lock it, and just go for a calm walk. And because of this, what is the advantage? You get 7 to 8 hours of uninterrupted sleep. That's beautiful, isn't it? Yes. Point number 14. Occasionally travel alone to new places. When you travel alone to new places, what happens? Keep your phone aside and you go talk to the local people, watch beautiful things around you. Your mind gets rejuvenated. Last but not the least, 15 point. Either start learning a musical instrument. Yes, I experimented this really worked. Learn a musical instrument, anything of your wish, anything which you start with a small musical instrument. Because of this, your musical skills will increase and your brain becomes more sharper. Beautiful, isn't it? Yes. In conclusion, to enhance the brain function and make it more sharper and smarter and lightning speed, this involves basically